If your garden is anything like mine right now, you probably have more lettuce than you know what to do with. One day it's a tiny seedling, and then suddenly you're standing in the garden wondering how on earth two people are supposed to eat 14 heads of lettuce before all of the lettuce bolts. Hey everyone, it's Angela Allen from the Handmade Homestead, and today I want to show you one of my favorite ways to use up all of that fresh spring abundance in a way that's healthy, satisfying, incredibly fresh tasting, and honestly, it just feels like spring on a plate. These ultimate lettuce wraps are quick and adaptable. They're absolutely delicious, and they're perfect for gardeners trying to reduce waste and truly enjoy what the garden is giving us right now. And the best part is, they feel special enough for lunch with friends, but they're also easy enough to throw together after a long day outside. And just so you know, the full filling recipe will be down in the show notes below for you, but this is very, very easy. One of the things I love most about growing lettuce is how generous it is in the spring. It grows quickly, it grows easily, it's really beautiful in the garden, and for a while, it feels absolutely endless, but that abundance can become overwhelming fast, and it seems to happen to me every year. I try to plant fewer and fewer plants, but I'm still always overrun with lettuce. And I think a lot of us gardeners have experienced that moment where beautiful homegrown lettuce starts getting pushed to the back of the refrigerator because we're simply just dealing with too much of it. Instead of thinking of lettuce as just salad, I like finding ways to make it the centerpiece of a meal. And these wraps are one of the easiest ways I've found to do that, and my family loves them. So let's talk about lettuce first, because this is where garden-grown lettuce really shines. For wraps, I personally love Butterheaded lettuce because it's soft, it's flexible, the leaves are really big, and parts of each leaf is still really crisp. But honestly, you can use whatever you have. Even smaller pieces can be put together under bigger pieces in layers. Romaine works beautifully for the crunch. Loose leaf lettuce, that's my favorite, but absolutely Little Gem is wonderful too. And even larger leaves from young cabbages and young broccoli also can work in a pinch. The goal here isn't perfection, it's in using what's already growing in your garden. This filling is packed with fresh flavor, lots of protein, lots of texture, and plenty of vegetables, but you really can make the filling with anything that you prefer. Now, I used low sodium, low fat, uncured turkey and ham deli slices that I just chunked up into little squares and threw in. So this is going to be like a deli sandwich wrap. I'm also using scallions from the garden. I'm using garlic chives from the garden, celery from the garden, and really anything else in my refrigerator that I can find. Chopped pickles, anything like that would be delicious. You can make it with ground chicken or turkey, pork, beef, leftover meat from the meal before. It doesn't matter. This is a fantastic clean out the garden and clean out the refrigerator recipe. Extra scallions, throw them in. Extra snow peas, perfect. If you have a few stray carrots, radishes, herbs, kale or spinach, use those too. These kinds of meals help us waste less while actually eating more of the fresh food from our gardens. And for the dressing, I'm just using a small amount of mayonnaise and then a big scoop of yogurt. Now this is homemade yogurt. I make our own yogurt. And you can see that this is super thick Greek-style yogurt. I do have a video about that. I'll try to include that link here in the picture or definitely down in the show notes for you. It's a super easy, no dirty dishes yogurt recipe that I make in the Instant Pot, but you can do it in a dehydrator or in your oven as well. And my yogurt recipe does not include heating the milk ahead of time. You use the milk straight from the fridge and it's super fast. 8 hours later, you have perfect Greek-style yogurt without straining a thing. And honestly, these lettuce wraps are one of the healthiest meals I make during the spring and summer. They're very high in protein, depending on their filling. They are full of vegetables, naturally lower carb, if that matters to you. That is something that matters to my family. They are incredibly satisfying without feeling heavy, and they're very economical too. After working outside in the garden all day, it's the kind of fresh meal that just feels good. You can put it together fast, put your feet up, relax, watch some videos, and you don't have a million dishes to do either. All those things tick off the right boxes in my life. This is also one of those meals that can be customized for everybody. If you have family over or friends visiting or particularly picky children when it comes to mealtime, you can lay everything out almost like a lettuce wrap board and everyone can build their own meal and it feels relaxing and welcoming and you don't have to be rushing around the kitchen. You get to enjoy your company and enjoy your time. And the freshness from your garden lettuce really is different. It's sweeter, it's more tender, it tastes more alive, and when you grow it yourself, I think you appreciate every single leaf a little bit more. And I think one of the quiet joys of gardening is learning how to work with the abundance instead of fighting it. There's always a season where something comes all at once. You're overrun with tomatoes, you're up to your elbows in zucchini or green beans, and in spring, it's usually lettuce and sometimes radishes. So I think recipes like this become a part of the rhythm of the garden. They help us to enjoy what we grew while it's at its absolute peak. I want to share something else made slowly and thoughtfully by hand. Over in my Etsy shop, I've been weaving beautiful, durable towels and everyday textiles designed for real homes and real use. These are the kinds of pieces meant to become part of your daily rhythm in the kitchen, garden, and throughout your house. So if you love handmade practical things and a timeless feel, I'd love for you to take a look and see what's there. Hand-woven necessities, designed to last and made to be loved. They're stronger, more absorbent, and made for everyday luxury. If you haven't made the switch to hand-woven towels, this is definitely your signal. Well, if you enjoy this kind of content, I'm thinking you will most likely love this content too. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps us so much with the algorithm, and we will see you next time. Take care.